I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the brown. Like...
Good day, guys.
Hey?
Hello, mama.
What is it?
It is Saturday, the 20 what, mommy? 20 what?
26.
Saturday the 26th.
26.
We are about to go and have some dinner.
Yo! Pick up the phone. Hey? Yeah, boy.
Where is she?
Yeah, pick up the devil, alright.
Mommy friends lives across the street. You hear them low, them things are jungle them there now. Them things are jungle them there, yell across the street to each other. Oh my god, I can't with my mom sometimes. Cannot with my mother. Bring it to the owner. Ah! Yeah. Anyway, you guys. Like I said, I'm going to my big brother is taking me, mom, and the girls out to dinner. So we're about to go do that now. I haven't taken any photos since I've been here, guys. This is my first day going out with the camera. So hopefully I get some nice family pictures tonight. I don't need to be a photographer.
Oh God.
I'm an attorney. What happened? The gas station closed. Alright, so that's not the only gas
Hope you
station.
know why I take this way. Why I take that way? I beg you now before going on.
Yeah.
Come on quicker. Yeah, I go through Becky and Bramley. I go reach quicker. Let's go through Bramley down this so. Go through Easton and reach quick. I know why I come over here. How much I like the long way? No better one of them is squash eye.
This car right here?
Nissan, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Squash eye. I'm telling you, I'm ready for trade my car.
Is this where you bought the car?
Yeah, yeah, so my bad.
Show them like a scenery at England road them.
Bush. Into Conway. I'm so cute. Cute. Let me mute. I'm so cute. Cute. Let me mute. Hello. I'm Cindy's sister.
Jewish. Mommy, I pump gas. You guys know that's my pet peeve, right? I don't pump gas. I don't do it. Full service or I'm on service. Pumping gas is not for women. It's not for Cindy. How are you guys feeling this this lippy right here? This is one of the lip kits that I purchased when I was with Diva the other day. I think it's like a dupe on the Kylie Jenner lip kits. I like it. I like the colors. I like the way they wear. I do have to admit that the pencil especially, the pencils smell hella toxic. Hella toxic, but I've still worn them. I've worn this one and the other night when I went out with the dark lipstick. Watch out. Watch out. She can't go on and say, boy, take me when I'm walking. Anyway, so like I said, I've worn this color obviously, and then the other night when I had the dark lipstick on, that was also one of the lip kits I purchased. The pencils smell really, really toxic, kind of harsh. And when I wore the dark one, my lips actually tingled. I thought I was gonna have a reaction to it, but I didn't. This one doesn't tingle, but what else? So yeah, that's it. Rocking a messy messy bun. Watch out. You pumped the gas already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that was quick. You're putting 5 pounds.
No. Carry that 1 pint each.
A girl are putting 5 pounds of them carried her.
No, my love. You can put out 3 pounds. Because I can't may drive.
Oh!
I'm driving a 1 pint 8 convertible 5. Okay?
So, if you
Five.
want to put in 3 pounds,
I'll 2 pounds too.
I'll 2 pounds.
1 pound 50, anything. I'll win the tank. If it's necessary.
Hi! You didn't make my vlog this time. Hi.
Oh, I'm good.
What are you guys doing?
Yeah, you will see a thing.
Corey! So tall. Oh my god. Remember this little guy? This tiny little guy. Look how big he is.
Where is May?
Mayweather. So big. Everybody's gotten so big, you guys. Everyone. Look at this little chunky baby. He's like, how tall are you? He's look at my shoulders now. Corey. Go on. My dog's the Muffin Lip. The Muffin Lip, the Muffin Lip. Mom's trying to take my job from me. This is my brother and his family. You guys know Shy. You know Tay. And Tori's left everyone back there. He's going to be too heavy for that in a little bit, Cheyenne.
Not yet. He's still my baby kiss.
Aww, so cute.
He's 6, he's not baby. No, you're still 6
He's still
months.
he's still the baby.
Big bum. Come on.
Oh my god, where's Mummy?
Are you sweating? No. What's that? Come here. What? Come here, turn around.
Yeah, they love Nanny on the vlog.
Is that sweat?
Your patches are starting to disappear.
Are
Are
they?
you moisturizing your face?
No.
Because you know it's burnt.
I don't
I
have
could tell
any
it's like a little
cream.
dry. You gotta cream it.
Yeah, but all of it has I saw the other vlog. It's so funny.
Yeah? What you and Mummy going? Which you and Mummy going back and forth?
Huh?
With the bantering between you and Mummy? Mummy say you look dark like midnight.
Stop touching Collie.
Oh. Oh my god. Shy. Everyone's like, why are you guys so big? You guys really sprung up overnight.
No.
You better not get taller than me either.
Oh.
Neil, I'm saying Shy better not get taller than me. She better not. Better not.
You're
You better
taller
stay.
than Daddy. You're taller than Daddy.
Am I?
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Not quite. But stay that height. Do not get taller than me.
About it.
Oh.
I'm still a teenager. I'm still growing. So there is time.
I was my full height at 17. I didn't think I grew after 17. Weren't you your full height at 17, Nelly?
I don't know.
No?
I think 17 is start to shoot.
Over here. Oh, perfect.
You took my seat.
Thanks, doll. Everybody got pizza.
Corey, you do this for everyone.
Corey, you took your garlic bread, fella.
Whose is this for the table? Oh, yeah? Guys, this is an example of what you don't do when you go out. Disgusting. Obnoxious. Right here. Thank you. It's got chicken. It's got chicken in it. I said arrabbiata with chicken.
With chicken?
Yeah.
With chicken.
Is it? Okay. We're gonna go with all chicken.
Some big meatballs.
Huh? Mommy, are those meatballs big enough?
Just get out, honestly.
Disgusting. It's in the bottom. Okay, thank you.
Would you like some cheese?
Yes, please. Arrabbiata with chicken. Yes, thank God. And they knew. And they knew it. Obnoxious. Oh. So, Mummy, you said you wanted the same thing, not knowing what I wanted, right?
I didn't know.
What did you think I ordered?
But I said to you, you're driving, don't have a wine. And you go, no, it's alright. It's alright. She go, no, it's alright.
Let me pick up what she can manage. Tell them I
She
don't want
pick
the
up
same
peanut
thing.
colour.
I
The woman is like, I'm gonna have what she's having.
She said peanut colour.
I said Pinot Grigio, Mummy.
Region.
Pinot Grigio. That's white wine.
Not a peanut in there.
All right, this is embarrassing. No.
I pay a region in egg. The peanut's gone down.
No peanut in there, Mummy. Pinot Grigio. You see what I have to put up with all the time. This is what I have to...
She said the tomato majority. So she
Now we're being like those obnoxious people over there. Oh my God.
The paste.
You know, like the paste?
No, the tomato paste. I'm a paste. Meatball usually get cooking up. When you're doing a spaghetti bolognese.
It's in fresh tomato sauce.
No, you're not going to cook it in there.
What would you cook it in,
What would
Mommy?
you cook it in? Just cook it down with gravy. Let me not beat otherwise in the middle use the paste. Use the paste. Can't sleep tonight. Just stand up on my chest. If you do that, I'll kill me.
Yes, the person that hurt me.
She come tonight for eating her. I change my mind for eating. I'm sick.
Honey, like you can't get your mother go nowhere, you know?
Yeah, me say she come tonight for eat. She said, listen, me leave space. Send the brown.
Huh? Oh, you got the pictures? And then she complaining about it. You can't take my mother anywhere, you guys. Nowhere. Nowhere.
Giant meatball.
She said she should have followed you, but she followed you instead and got a, what is it? Peanut Clara.
She wanted a pina colada.
Peanut Colada. She got a Peanut Clara.
Go on and take purely messy.
Mommy, you make it so easy. You make it so easy, Mommy.
What's happening here?
Poor Corey's lost.
Oh dear. Peanut Clara. We'll try tomorrow. I have the vanilla cheesecake.
What sauce would you like on it?
Can I have the raspberry? Fruit compact. Yeah.
Raspberry and what drink would you like?
Get any hot drink?
I'll have cappuccino, please. Thank you.
Can I please have the sticky toffee pudding?
Can I just have a bite of yours?
Yeah?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, it's me. Ooh. Can I just have? She's really everything. a vanilla cheesecake, please, with salted caramel sauce and a hot chocolate.
Perfect.
And he's having.
Yeah, I ordered.
Yeah, he's having.
With banana. Do you want it with bananas?
So fudge cake, Nutella cake.
Oh, can we have that? Sorry.
Sorry, fudge cake, Nutella calzone, no banana, vanilla cheesecake, raspberry cappuccino, sticky toffee, sticky toffee pudding, and raspberry, vanilla cheesecake, salted caramel, hot chocolate.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, I'll just grab these.
And she'll have a buttermilk.
Yeah, I'll get an extra spoon.
No, none of that too bright.
I don't want
And me and you are shy. Them bread something that mommy I try to give you.
to see me. Nanny wants to stand there and everyone just like. She wants to be seen in the dark. You know, like neon yellow.
Look at her face.
You don't need
I look like old-fashioned old people.
when you're with Nanny, you don't even need a torch in the dark. You just look at her. You can see her.
Don't say it too well.
How am I old? Cindy said 2 times now that I'm okay in the dressing.
It's okay, mommy.
Me.
It's alright.
I like your colors.
I love your colours too, Nanny.
Thank you, darling.
This is okay, but not when you're wearing that kind of colour there. That's
Like, this
nothing
is
wrong with that
fine.
colour. Yeah, that's fine.
Lemon, you know what? When I cycle to work, I illuminate the road because I need to be seen. So it's fine.
Yeah, but she's not cycling.
Don't say it.
I have a neon yellow t-shirt. I wear with pride. She was like, when me was 15.
Me was pen. And me was pencil.
Me was pencil.
Who like you?
I'm not old.
Honey, was your mother ever a pencil?
What you call pencil?
She has just skinny like this.
No, of course, but it's slim. What me do with better
Listen,
slim?
she have a picture when she's 19 when she stand for the church one with this white shorts. Remember that picture?
I have it.
Where then? You show them.
They do the cashier thing.
Were you pencil?
No,
Of course, but it's slim.
no, she know the fat pencil. Them.
Never show it, Cindy. It's slim.
Honey, I said the fat pencil.
She was no big.
Never
H2.
show it. Never show it, Cindy. Where
She
they?
was giant pencil.
She was like the Crayola, the thick.
Brother, when me 50, me a slim.
Marker.
Only you know me at 15.
No, not 15, 19.
19, mommy.
But when,
19 minutes fat.
when she
Me
was
not fat, me
50,
Cindy.
when she was 50, she was as slim as
No,
her
I never fat
eyebrows.
me accent only. You remember?
Well, maybe it's beautiful going.
No, me never fat me accent.
Show me that picture, mommy. I need to see this picture because
I'll show you.
mommy keep on saying she was a pencil.
Cindy, take a picture, send it to me.
Eh?
No white shorts.
I'm a soap on the back. Two of them.
No, you stand up. I never see the silver one.
They're going to show me when, Cindy. I try
And
to be fat.
me slim. Slim like a pencil.
Me never look old like you.
I'm not old though. What I dress for what my age should wear.
You're old for your young.
No, like what Shan's wearing now is not boring.
No, this is fine.
This is cute. That's pretty. This is a cute dress.
Do you not agree?
We're not talking
She
about
agree,
this
but
now.
she just said like a color.
Like a color.
What should this
We're not
be?
talking
Lime
about
green?
this
Lime
now.
green and orange and bright pink.
We are not talking about this now, Shane. We are talking about other. You look like a nice little old lady.
I've never looked like an old lady.
Just need a nice little handbag with
I like black. I like to wear black because I'm not like Nanny who wants to be
Oh yeah,
seen by
Cindy,
everyone.
Cindy, like that round one that we saw in the shop. Nice round
Right,
handbag.
no.
Love.
Taylor,
Cindy,
that
would you like to
looks
try
like.
some?
Yes, I would. That looks delicious. And then mommy got. What'd you get, mommy?
She complained about the spoon.
What did you get?
Good as. What did you get? What's that?
I have a cheese.
Oh, chocolate fudge cake.
Chocolate fudge cake.
Let me try some.
Don't touch it.
Try a little bit.
All right, guys, and I didn't get one because I'm stuffed,
Go on. Go
and I
on.
just don't want to. So I'm going to get some for my brothers.
This one's from Action Hall.
No, no,
Oh,
no.
with the ice cream, this is delicious. Yeah.
Taylor one is the fifth good thing.
Yes.
Not yet.
Look how cute the Corey's on it.
You want help?
Oh, I asked him.
Taylor, what that? Stick it up with it.
Stick this on too. You wanna try it? You wanna try with the ice cream? It's so nice.
That looks good, Corey.
Can I try some of yours?
Is it good? Num. All right, I've had some of my brother's. Now I'm going to have some of Taylor's. Taylor!
Cindy, I get none. You have to try it.
Have it with the ice cream. It's delicious.
Full of belly, no, make sure
What's the
one.
cakey for?
It's sticky toffee.
Shit.
This is good.
Oh my God, Taylor.
You're not getting none, Cindy?
Yours is the best. What is it?
You don't get none. Why?
My phone. My phone. Oh, no, yeah, Mama. Mama said you're not getting it. I said no. I said I'm full. Your belly full. Good.
Taylor.
I mean, what's the word? I'm not
Some
going
good
to
choices. They always make good choices.
Eat it, Cindy. I want to eat a lot. I don't know, I'm not giving it tonight. What did I get left tonight?
And Nanny's got the good hands to wash up.
What did I get left tonight, you know?
Yeah, the slow. Even pour fast.
Is it?
Corey, I have to try with Corey.
Well, I know I was going to leave it on.
Yeah, if you give Nanny a head start.
I know I was going to leave
Oh,
it.
she can't always break on here. Trust me.
No,
When I
you
catch
catch
her.
her by the door.
Well, let them catch me and tell them I never knew that.
You just eat.
I say, I pass and tell me to come eat. So I'm thinking pay and bill already.
All right. It looked like a you them there. Just come with me.
If I call the police.
Like the other day, me and mommy driving. Mommy said, Cindy, put on your seatbelt and the police stop me and tell them to take you.
Maybe just go with that for the 50 pounds. Because the officer do just go with that. Take her with that cat, boy. Carry her by station.
She's not important.
50 pounds.
Take my daughter. I don't haven't seen her for 3 years. Doesn't really matter anyway.
No, she's not worth 50 pounds at all. No.
I think it I get too tight for it need for cut.
Cut them.
That was the thing, you know.
I think it I get too
Every
tight
time
for
she had get on her nerves over whenever she was over.
want cut
She's like, you know, I think you try to get too tight, you know, cut them.
And Sharon, you're getting too big.
Sharon's like, no, they fit me. What are you talking about?
I didn't get it at first. But they were fine.
Hey, you guys. So, dinner is a wrap.
I'm a phone.
I've got Shy with me. Good as over there.
Always.
Always. Number one. Number one.
Pencil.
No, she mean Pencil Street.
Pencil Street, not pencil.
Okay.
Always.
When you're talking about pencil, I mean pencil.
Guys, we're gonna have to see this photo
She means
because my
her
brother
body
has no
shape.
recollection of any pencil figure that my mom
Pencil?
ever had.
Pencil.
I certainly don't. So she's gonna dig this picture up from
Fat
somewhere
crayon.
and show it to us.
Fat
I'm
crayon.
not trying to remember which part.
Anyway,
Bye-bye.
Now let's take the pencil, the
bye.
No, look at the phone and say bye.
Say goodnight, Shy. Tay.
Night.
pencil picture. All right.
Pencil. And it's a good night for me and Shy. Bye, guys. We're gonna cut our dick, guys.
Spinning your
Back right
toes.
now.
Your fun- Touch the edges. Drag off your wig.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do me like that.
How you gonna do me like that? You gonna act like you done that?
Why don't you do that pop dog?
Kiss Cindy. Give Cindy a kiss.
Can I get a kiss to close the video? Yay! I got a kiss. He's ready for my little night room. Yes,
I play
honey.
one.
Goodbye, guys. Guys, So mommy's friend just brought me a bag of sugar cane from Jamaica. Even England, madam, I get sugar cane. You guys know I'm in heaven, right? It's frozen right now, so I'm gonna wait for it to thaw a little bit. She just got back from Jamaica this morning. I am going to go ham. But let me say, I'm gonna wait for this to thaw, and then I'm going to go ham. On the other hand, I really wanted to see the fight, the Mayweather-McGregor fight, live tonight. I don't want to hear about it tomorrow. I don't want to see posts on Instagram, on Facebook. I want to watch it live. But I think it starts at 8 o'clock in the U.S. or something like that, which means that it's not on until 1 a.m. here. I'm trying to find some place to go watch it. Nobody I've asked know of any fight parties, because you know how we do fight parties in the state. I was hoping I'd be able to go to a fight party, but I don't know of any. A friend of mine said something about going to a pub to watch. But I messaged and I haven't heard anything back yet. And it's pretty late. I still have my watch on American time. So right now it's almost 6 o'clock, which means it's almost 11 o'clock here. So the fight's going to start in, I think, 2 hours or 1 hour. I don't really know. But I'm staying off of social media and everything because I want to see it for myself live, and I'm hoping that my friend will come through and will actually make that a reality. So let's see.
All I get is wild thoughts. Wild